trials of Zagoromordi, thousands suffered a fate of being wrongfully accused, tortured, or even burned at the stake. This included men, women, and children. And the fire popped. No, he cried as flames engulfed her. Oh God, no! Ashes spiraled down from the pyre where her body had been. The priest stretched out his arms, palms up, and fell to his knees. He closed his eyes, the ashes mixing with his tears. How could they do this to an innocent child? Who were these fiends glorying in their suffering? The spirits of the witches, once burned and broken, would still refuse to perish. The essence of the Sorgin would be resurrected with future generations. The truth of what the ancient religion will keep us grounded, because roots build strong wings that let us fly. This song we're about to perform to is very special, and I'll get emotional. Please feel free to sing along.
to the banquet.
Throughout Basque history, we have seen many attempts to restrict freedom, not only during the Spanish Inquisition with the witches. And in these hard times, we find our spirits clinging back to the truth we know, the truth of the ancients, of nature. After the witch trials and after fear had faded away and wounds began to heal, the Basques did what they do best, what we do best. We endured. They endured. And they found ways to celebrate their ancient traditions in the ever-changing world around them. And so, the Basque culture will endure. We will remain strong. We will evolve. But we will keep faith and find strength in our ancient ways. We are the Ruby Mountain Arribaltza. We will endure. We will perpetuate. And we will keep this folklore alive. And we will dance.
And we are the Ruby Mountain Arribaltza. Thank you so much.